How can I access the debris filter on my Samsung top-loading washing machine?
Hello viewers. Today, we'll be walking through the process of accessing the debris filter on your Samsung top-loading washing machine. Keeping this filter clean is essential for optimal performance. So, let's dive right in and ensure your machine runs smoothly.
What is the debris filter?
The debris filter in your washing machine is designed to catch lint, coins, and other small items that might get left behind during a wash. This prevents these items from reaching the drain and possibly causing a clog. If you've ever wondered why your machine isn't draining properly, or if you've heard unusual sounds during the drain cycle, a clogged debris filter might be the culprit.
Preparing your machine.
1. Turn off and unplug your washing machine from the electrical outlet. Safety first. 2. Ensure the washing machine is empty of water and any laundry items. 3. Have a towel or a small basin ready, as there might be some residual water when you open the filter.
Accessing the debris filter.
1. Locate the debris filter cover. On most Samsung top-loading washing machines, it's typically at the lower front or lower back of the machine. 2. Use a flat tool or your fingers to gently pry open the cover. 3. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the debris filter cap. Turn this cap counterclockwise, usually about 90 degrees, to unlock and pull it out. 4. Inspect and clean the filter. Remove any lint, coins, or other obstructions. Rinse it under tap water if necessary.
Reassembling the machine.
1. Once the debris filter is cleaned, reinsert it into its slot. 2. Turn the cap clockwise to lock it in place. 3. Replace the debris filter cover, making sure it clicks into place. 4. Plug your washing machine back into the electrical outlet and turn it on. That's it. Accessing and cleaning the debris filter on your Samsung top-loading washing machine is a relatively simple process that can ensure the longevity and efficiency of your machine. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, regular maintenance can save you from potential costly repairs in the future. Happy washing!